here we are, and I bet you're wondering, how did we get into this situation?
Parental viewer discretion is advised. Wow. We're at the water park in, where are we? Chiang Mai, Grand Canyon Water Park. It looks quite cool. We've been told no cameras, but sure it won't be a problem. Hello, Ben. Hello. I might have to buy one of these. I didn't realise there was a camera on the front so you can actually vlog properly.
Oh yeah.
That's great. Oh yeah. It's cold, I'm wet.
That's nice and warm.
Is she wearing socks?
Yeah.
Nice.
She's wearing trampoline and socks.
We have to jump.
On sec. Oh shit.
Right, so we need to... I'm not very good at this.
Come on babe, your go! You're on selfie mode.
Okay, they've got one of these things, and those two are going to climb up there, and apparently I have to go sit on it. So we'll see. Do I just go sit on it? Yeah? Okay. Jesus Christ. Oh. I'm struggling. Ah. Oh my god. There is no way in hell this ends well. He says open my legs like a slut. I'm so scared. I'm so fucking scared. Oh my god, that was great. Oh shit! Oh shit! Ah! Oh! There he goes!
Oh!
Ready?
Oh! Woo! Yeah! Go on, my love.
Oh, for goodness sake.
How good is she at jumping on balls? Woo! Wow, yeah, well done. Do you need a hand up at the top, mate? Like,
I've got this, I believe. I did it. Oh no.
one ball, two balls, three balls, four balls. Yeah! Oh god.
Just run.
You're going too slow for it.
Bugger! No £5 in the jar for me.
I did.
You did such a fun. I don't even know how to get back in. I want to go in that.
He's like, no, I'm not letting in.
Come on, Dad. Oh, it's really high up. Oh my god.
You're so good, yay! I've had a race.
The race of a century. Declan over here on the balls, and Paris in the right corner on the lily pads. Who's going to win? Who's going to go first? Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Paris off. Oh! Declan straight in the water, and Paris is soon behind. Whoa, whoa, whoa! No one won. No one won. We've got 2 losers. 2 losers. Declan looks to be tangled in the rope. He's in the balls.
Okay, so I wasn't expecting them to be that unstable.
This is my Christmas present from Paris.
I'm going to try and injure myself.
Oh! Oh!
Woo!
Injure myself, it was all good, it was worth it.
Oh, that's actually way scarier than it looks.
Not scary.
Easy once you've done it, mate. My foot slipped through. I'm okay.
Just do it.
Do what Thai guy did. Oh, not like that.
We're gonna do this zip line now.
Let's go. Just as far, just as far.
Oh no! He's gonna get wet.
Let's go.
Alright, monkey man. I can...
Wish me luck, boys. See you later. 1, 2, yeah, let's go. want to go back and do the red one.
Go deck! Woo!
Oh my god! I bet as soon as I get in there, I'll fall in. Yeah, right. Show us how it's done then.
It's way harder than you think it is.
Yeah.
Hasta la vista, bitches. I'm so scared. Does it look high from there?
No.
It feels high from here.
You can
Do a flip!
I'm so fucking scared!
do a front flip. You can do it.
Shall we chant?
Huh?
Shall we chant? Deck one, deck one, deck one, deck one, deck one, deck. Woo!
Oh, pencil dive. Wow.
Shit, I forgot to record.
What? You didn't...
I don't believe you.
How did you end up in?
Easily. Yeah?
Oh, I need to do a pull-up.
Spider deck. Spider deck. Does whatever a spider deck does.
Which is what?
Does he swing from a web? No, he can't. He's just deck. Watch out! Here comes a spider deck. Go back. He's over, I win! I'm the king of the seesaw!
No.
Right, open your legs.
Roll on your side.
I'm still up, I'm still up.
He's in, he's up, he's up! He's not been wiped out yet.
Innovative solution. Oh! Yes, goes those arm strength.
Oh yeah. Oh!
Parental viewer discretion is advised.
Wow. Spider deck fails again.
Yeah, fuck spider deck, I'm beer deck. Give that a shot. Oh, he's got it. Well done.
Oompa loompa. Woo!
Way, let's go!
Alrighty.
He's there.
I'm gonna go. Steady.
I'm winning so far.
Or maybe not.
Dave, do you want to have a go? Yeah, go on, run towards me. Okay.
Through the top! I don't think that's how it's meant to happen. I want to run like a hamster.
Jack, take my hand! Jack, no, stop! No, you gotta run, dude, run!
Very slippy. You guys try.
So we're now officially the last ones leaving. What Grand Canyon Waterpark? That's what this place is called. What do we think? Thoughts?
Oh, 10 out of 10, amazing.
Exhausted.
Yeah, I think that's absolutely amazing. And there's now no one here. The sun's setting. The staff is lovely as well.
So, Chiang Mai's got lots of great things to do. Obviously, it's into the elephants, but this is one of the best things I've done in Chiang Mai.
100%. I mean, I've come back to Chiang Mai like 3 times now. I didn't know this existed because it's interesting. It's not really on the map, is it?
No, I've heard very little about it. So a few TikToks. That's the only reason I heard about it.
There's not a lot going on, but it's nice to come to somewhere like this. And also, how many tourists were there? Like maybe 30 people total the whole day.
Oh yeah, 30 people.
Yeah.
Very friendly as well.
People don't even know about it being here, so all the staff have so much fun. Like they're all listening to music, they're dancing, they're having a great time. Decent food at the restaurant too.
Yeah, but you can't bring your own food or any drinks in. But hey ho.
That's fine. Have a big pad thai before you leave Chiang Mai, and then you'll be chilling. And that is all for this water park. I'm gonna give it to Ben to outro you properly.
Merry Christmas Eve.
Woo!
Hit that share button and send this video to the person you want to visit Grand Canyon Waterpark with.
You excited?
Hello. So excited.
Does it capture audio?
Yeah.
Okay. How are you feeling?
So great.
Thrilled? Chuffed?